reason that we promote adoption is because there are so many animals out there that are homeless already. For every animal that is purchased in a store, that's one more that we're housing and trying to find homes for that aren't going to have that opportunity. So the biggest reason is that. Another nice thing about adopting an animal is a lot of times we know a little bit more history, and we can, give them a slightly older animal, and, there's a lot more variety. But the biggest thing is just, decreasing euthanasia rates, which are really high all over the world, really. And so giving an animal that's already had a home and needs another one a chance is going to save its life.
Volunteer at Humane Society, it's my passion. I love animals, and my husband and I relocated from New Jersey to Florida, and while I was here, I knew I wanted to volunteer at the Humane Society. So I continued that in New Jersey. I volunteered at Save Animal Shelter for about 7 years.